Here I have Samsung Galaxy M04, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Contacts application, which you have pre-installed on your device. Then you have to tap on three stripes here, go to the Manage Contacts section, then select Import Contacts, select where from you want to import contact. Today we're gonna import contacts from SIM to our device. So here you can select which contacts you want to import, or you can just select all, tap done, then select where to you want to copy them to our phone and tap import. And after that, these contacts will be saved not only on your SIM card but also on this phone too. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.